New this morning, November is National Alzheimer's Awareness Month, and here in the Valley, nearly 50,000 people battle the disease and more than 5 million around the country. 13 Action News reporter Alicia Patillo has been shedding light on various brain diseases all week, and she joins us live in downtown where the Lou Ruvo Center for Brain Health is raising awareness about Alzheimer's in a bright way. Alicia?
Good morning, Kalina. Well, the Lou Ruvo Center goes purple in support of Alzheimer's Awareness Month. The challenges of a loved one suffering from a brain disease can impact us all. And here in the Valley, there's help right at our fingertips.
We're leading the charge for science in the state. It's pretty cool.
It's one of the best neurology programs in the country.
I mean, these are doctors who devote their life to their career and their calling.
And Dr. Sabah and his team call the Valley home.
Amyloid imaging means that we can actually now look at the plaques in the brain while the patient's alive.
The Lou Ruvo Center is making scientific breakthroughs in brain health.
This is one of the leading places in the United States to take care of people, investigate, and treat people with degenerative brain diseases like Alzheimer's, other dementias, Parkinson's disease, other movement disorders, and multiple sclerosis.
Here in the Valley, nearly 50,000 Nevadans are living with Alzheimer's disease.
We're talking now in their 60s, 70s, 80s. And so that's probably the #1 driver. And of course, overall the population's aging.
And more than 5 million Americans are battling the illness around the country.
It is a progressive degenerative disease that ultimately leads to dementia, where people lose their independence and functional abilities and essentially lose their life because they no longer can operate normally.
The biggest misconception about this disease?
Nobody understands the difference between Alzheimer's and dementia. So dementia is the category, Alzheimer's is the type.
Dr. Sabah says most brain disease is caused by a combination of age, genetics, and environmental factors. And right now, his team is working to find a way to detect it.
We've made huge progress. In fact, we now are close to having a blood test to diagnose Alzheimer's disease. And the first place in America, or one of the first places in America, that place was tested was right here.
Memory loss, poor judgment, and confusion are just a few warning signs, but Dr. Sabah says early detection is key.
Don't wait till things are bad, that you have to call 911. If there's a problem, let's get ahead of it.
So what's next for the Lou Ruvo Center?
We are looking at the opportunity to see Alzheimer's convert from a terminal disease, as you know it, to a chronic disease like we did with diabetes. And so that is happening, and it's happening now, it's happening here.
So for those watching at home, Dr. Sabah talks a lot about prevention and what you can do to change your diet and reduce the risk of brain diseases. And this is actually an app. It's really cool by the Cleveland Clinic. It's called Healthy Brains. And on here, there's a lot of tips. There's a lot of workout exercises that you can engage in and what to eat to reduce that risk of brain health diseases. So we have a lot of information on our website at ktnv.com. Make sure you check it out. Alicia Patillo, 13 Action News.
Alicia, thank you. The movie Casino is celebrating its 25th